Hey, what is going on, my XRP holders? I do not have good news for you guys today, but something more of a warning as we go into the new week here starting on Monday. See, I think as XRP holders, and we are essentially what we're trying to do is kind of overthrow the entire financial system and make XRP the standard for global international payments. I think inside of all of us is a person that is kind of looking for something dramatically to go catastrophically wrong in the modern day banking system, as potentially us to look at that as a catalyst for XRP utility and adoption. There's kind of always been this theory about if something went very, very bad, something went very, very wrong, that XRP could start being utilized out of a panic to essentially save the global financial system and essentially in a way replace it. Now, I'm not saying this is the end all be all black swan event. This is where XRP really shines, but I'm just saying anything is possible. So let's get into it, guys. USDC coin actually repegging itself. No pun intended, but it is back to 95 cents per coin. USDC did get to about 89 to 90 cents on some major exchanges, and on smaller exchanges such as Bitrue, USDC ended up going down all the way to 70 cents per coin. I even saw a snapshot from one smaller exchange that had USDC down to 58 cents per coin. Now, check this out from Cryptomaniac here, right? Someone pointed out that every bank's corporate office was lit up tonight on a weekend. Now, I'm not some, banking corporate office expert, but I would say it is a little bit odd for these banking offices, headquarters, to be fully lit up on a Saturday night on the weekend. Here you got, JP Morgan, which Jim Cramer just called a fortress. Hopefully that doesn't go wrong. Here you have the U.S. Bank. Fully lit up. Again, these could be different floors, different businesses. Not really a sure thing here, but it is kind of odd how when banks are supposed to be fully closed, that the majority of the building is completely lit up with lights, as if there is planning and meetings and trying to sort of avoid this bad situation that is currently happening right now with the Silicon Valley Bank and potentially try to fix it. And this goes directly into, from BitcoinNews.com, breaking the Fed emergency meeting on Monday. So on Monday, the Federal Reserve is holding an emergency meeting, and I guarantee you the printer is probably going to come on. The stock market prices, I have no idea what's going to happen. But fellas, we definitely do have something of a black swan event here when a second largest stable coin in the cryptocurrency market with a 40-something billion market cap ends up sliding down 30-40% on some exchanges. It is something to really pay attention to here, that we could have some sort of catastrophic event, some sort of emergency shift in the financial system in which XRP could be used. Now, I don't have this ready for you guys right now because it's just popped into my mind, but there was some sort of fund happening that USDC holders were depositing into, and I think there was about $300,000 worth of XRP in there. It was 300,000 XRP, and it was kind of like a little safety fund for people holding USDC to use XRP to essentially be a safety net for in case USDC goes down even further. So I really thought that was quite interesting, how people were going into XRP as a safe net during the second largest stable coin on the verge of a full collapse. So, final one for today, guys. A little bit of good news here. I know this has been seen before, but still, Brad Garlinghouse saying we are optimistic that this will be certainly be resolved in 2023 regarding the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit in maybe the first half. I feel very good about where we are relative to the law and the facts. And do remember, guys, that all the legal experts in the XRP community were agreeing that on or before March 31st, a decision would come from the judge on the summary judgment motion. So, guys, we can see the finish line in the lawsuit. With the way that the current XRP price is in, the second largest triangle ever in XRP history, I should have this already drawn up for you guys, I imagine, if I do head over to the weekly chart. So the second largest triangle ever in XRP weekly chart history, repeating the origin breakout triangle. The moment we're at right now of this inflection point of a potential gigantic pump, I don't know. I'm just saying. Federal Reserve emergency meeting. These banks are panicking. Maybe they start buying some certain assets for a hedge like XRP. the Ripple versus SEC case becomes settled, or maybe there's a summary judgment motion where Ripple is declared victorious in the lawsuit. I'm just saying we are at a crazy point right now with XRP charts that if something out of the blue was to just happen that was spectacular and magnificent to XRP's price, we are at a perfect moment for XRP to blast off and reclaim the all-time high prices. All right, fellas, that's it for the video today. Really appreciate you tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.